Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer files using rsync step by step clearly. Open your terminal application. Ensure that rsync is installed on your system. You can check by typing rsync version and pressing enter. If rsync is not installed, use your package manager to install it. Choose the source directory or file you want to transfer. Determine the destination directory or server for the transfer. If transferring to a remote server, ensure you have SSH access. The basic syntax for rsync is rsync, options, source, destination. For a simple file transfer, type rsync/path/to/source/file user at remote_host/path/to/destination/. Replace /path/to/source/file with your actual file path. Replace user at remote_host/path/to/destination/ with your username, server address, and desired destination path. If you are transferring an entire directory, use a trailing slash on the source. For example, rsync/path/to/source/directory/user at remote_host/path/to/destination/. To exclude certain files, add the exclude option followed by the file pattern. For example, rsync exclude equals star.tmp/path/to/source/user at remote_host/path/to/destination. If you want to run a dry run to see what will be transferred, add the n option. Type rsync avzn/path/to/source/user at remote_host/path/to/destination/. This option will not execute any files to be transferred. To preserve file permissions, use the P option. You can also add ESSH for secure transfers. For large file transfers, consider using the progress option. This provides a real-time status update on the transfer. After confirming your command, hit enter to start the transfer. Monitor the terminal for any error messages throughout the process. Once completed, verify the transferred files in the destination directory. Congratulations, you have successfully used rsync to transfer files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.